When someone survives a stroke, people often call it as a second chance. But only a caregiver knows the real journey starts after that moment. It doesn't end at survival, it begins with rebuilding a life one small step at a time. Step 1. Be patient with progress because recovery is slow and unpredictable. Some days improve, others may feel stuck. Don't lose hope on difficult days. Step 2. Encourage small physical movements daily, like sitting up, holding objects, or walking a few steps, because repetition helps build strength. Even the smallest efforts matters. Step 3. Support speech gently, allowing them time to form words without pressure or interruption. Silence can feel long, but patience gives them confidence. Step 4. Maintain a consistent routine with meals, medication, and rest because structure supports healing. A predictable day creates comfort and stability. Step 5. Prevent complications by keeping them clean, repositioning them regularly, and watching them for signs of discomfort or pain. These small actions protect them long-term recovery. Step 6. Celebrate small improvements because even lifting a finger again is meaningful progress. Acknowledge every win no matter how tiny it seems. Step 7. Provide emotional support as frustration, fear, and sadness are common during recovery. Listen to them even when words are hard to express. There will be moments when they feel helpless and you may feel exhausted too. It's okay to feel that way. You are carrying a lot. Take breaks, breath, and remind yourself that you are doing something incredibly important. But your presence becomes their motivation to keep going forward. Recovery is not only physical, it is also about rebuilding confidence, identity, and hope. And sometimes the biggest step forward is not walking again, but believing that improvement is still possible, even after difficult days and slow progress.